So some of you may be thinking, I have some doubts about this. The MLM industry kind of has a bad rap. And so I'm going to tell you why Color Street is different than other MLMs that I have been a part of. This is my first direct sales company that I've been with, and I can tell you there's many reasons why I didn't join other companies and why I said yes to Color Street. So first of all, Color Street is a ground floor opportunity, and there's nothing else like it in the direct sales market. Will there be competition eventually? Probably, but duplication is the highest form of flattery, and I'm pretty sure that Mary Kay is not worried about all the makeup at the drugstores because their clients are loyal to them and they know that their products set them apart, right? It's the same for Color Street. We're not worried if there's competition. We know that we have the founder and the inventor as our CEO, and he's gonna take care of his baby. It's not a get-rich-quick program, okay? Just like a gym membership, you have to go and put in the work to see the results. So you do have to put work into your business, but we do see a profit much quicker than the average business owner. The average business owner doesn't see a profit for 5 years after their initial investment. So it's much safer investment than that. The kit is just $129, and we have ways that we teach on our team to get you that money back in your pocket like that. Okay, we can have you sell the sets that are going to come in your kit as mystery sets and surprise your friends, sell them before your kit arrives, and do a live unboxing, surprise them with what shades they get, and bam, you made $150 and you've paid off your kit, so you're already in the green. There's not much else that you're gonna need other than what comes in your kit. If you don't have money to print business cards, don't print business cards. It's totally fine. Like, you can contact people with, I'll text you my number, text me your number. We have people we find online. You can message people, right, to get your contact information out there. You don't have to invest any more in your business than what comes in your kit until you start to earn a profit, which also means you are not required to carry any inventory. So you do not have to buy a certain amount a month. You don't have to have a certain amount of things on hand, and they don't send you random things that you may or may not like. Also, there are ways to shop smart, and I'm a smart shopper. I like clearance racks. I like TJ Maxx clearance. You can find prizes for your customers and your team pretty much anywhere. Use what's in your kit. Use that Color Street currency, which is your host rewards that you can use as a stylist to give back to your customers. It's simple as that. Earn your stuff, get it for free, and then give it away so it doesn't come out of your pocket. Something else that makes Color Street different than other products out there is it's very affordable. On average, our sets are like $10 with the buy 3 get 1 free special. So our price point is pretty spot on. Plus, it's consumable, okay? A lot of times, if you invest in a product and you spend a lot on it, you hold on to it for a long time. These, you wear them a week or two, you're ready for another set. So our customers keep coming back. We see a lot of repeat clientele that way. We're not always searching for new, but it is great to search for new, of course. That's how your business will grow. There's actually no minimum to earn commission. So anything that you sell that week, you get a paycheck on. Plus, if you rank up to team leader, our compensation plan is so sweet that we have something called strategic placement. So you can take your new sponsored stylist and place them anywhere in your downline to help your team grow, which in turn helps you. It's pretty neat. You are in control of your own success. You're not completely dependent on what other people do. If you do decide to carry some Color Street inventory, which you will because it's very easy to accumulate, it's very small. You can fit all of your products in a shoebox and take it to an event. I've showed up to events with other vendors with one bag and one box of nail strips and set everything up, and they look pretty jealous, carrying pots and pans and clothing racks and hauling all that stuff in and out. It's cheap to ship and it's easy to carry around and always have with you on hand. Color Street comes out with a new catalog twice a year that is full of a variety of designs. So we appeal to a wide range of demographics. We're beautiful in every skin color. Every style, if you want simplistic solids, if you want classic French tips, if you want bold and wild designs, the options are endless. You can mix and match. That is why we appeal to such a wide audience. And we also come out with new sets several times a month. So there's always something fresh and new. We have a lot of fun designs that are available just for a limited time. So it creates that sense of urgency with your customers, which is super fun. So there's a small fee for your back office and your customer facing site, which allows you to let your customers shop straight from the website and the products ship directly to them. You don't have to manage any of that. And that's less than $10 a month. The first 2 months that you join are completely free. And then after that, there's no risk. So if you decide Color Street's not right for you, you can quit anytime. In order to stay active as a Color Street stylist, you just have to sell $300 one time in a 6-month period. However, many stylists find it their personal goal to at least hit $300 a month. Because come on, we're here to make money, right? The past 3 years, personally as a Color Street stylist, I have seen relationships bloom on the team in ways that I never expected. Strangers have met and become bridesmaids. We've celebrated babies together, weddings. It's been really wonderful. But the thing that I love most about our team is the support that we have. There's several leaders on our team that come together to help support the new stylist and train them up and celebrate success together.
I am